Welcome to our video exploring 10 small towns in Rhode Island with the most extreme weather. From the coastal charm of Newport to the historical streets of Providence, each town has its own unique climate challenges. We'll dive into the extreme weather events that have shaped these towns, including winter storms, heatwaves, and everything in between. Plus, we'll examine the long-term evolutionary consequences these weather patterns can have on the communities and ecosystems. Join us as we uncover the fascinating stories behind Rhode Island's most dramatic weather. 1. Newport. Nestled by the sea, Newport is famous for its historic mansions and scenic views. But the weather here can be quite extreme. Summers in Newport are hot and humid, making it a popular destination for beachgoers. However, the winters tell a different story. Cold winds sweep through the town, and nor'easters can bring heavy snow and coastal flooding. These powerful storms have the potential to disrupt daily life, as roads become treacherous and homes near the coast face flooding risks. Despite the challenges, the residents of Newport are well prepared, having adapted to these conditions over the years. 2. Providence. As the capital city, Providence is no stranger to intense weather patterns. Summers are humid and can feel oppressive, especially in the bustling city environment. Winters, on the other hand, are marked by cold temperatures and significant snowfall. Heavy rainfall is not uncommon, leading to potential flooding, especially in low-lying areas. Residents often find themselves shoveling snow and navigating icy streets. The city's infrastructure is built to handle these challenges, with efficient snow removal systems in place. Yet, the unpredictable nature of the weather keeps everyone on their toes. 3. Woonsocket. Woonsocket experiences a weather rollercoaster throughout the year. Summers are hot, with temperatures soaring, making air conditioning a necessity. When winter arrives, it brings with it a blanket of snow and the occasional ice storm. These storms can cause significant disruptions, from power outages to hazardous road conditions. Residents have become accustomed to preparing for winter's wrath, stocking up on supplies and ensuring their homes are winter-ready. Despite the challenges, Woonsocket's community spirit shines, with neighbors often helping each other during severe weather events. 4. Cranston. Cranston, a vibrant town with a rich history, faces its share of weather extremes. Summers are warm, inviting residents to enjoy outdoor activities. However, the winters can be quite chilly, with temperatures dropping significantly. Severe storms are a risk, especially during heavy rainfall events, which can lead to flooding in certain areas. The town's proximity to water bodies makes it vulnerable to such weather events. Yet, Cranston's resilient infrastructure and community preparedness help mitigate the impact, ensuring that life continues with minimal disruptions. 5. East Greenwich. East Greenwich is a charming town that often finds itself at the mercy of Rhode Island's unpredictable weather. Summers are warm, drawing people to its scenic parks and waterfronts. But when winter sets in, snowstorms and ice become a common occurrence. These conditions pose challenges for travel, as roads become slippery and hazardous. The town's residents are well acquainted with these patterns, having developed strategies to cope with the winter weather. From snow plows to salt trucks, East Greenwich is always ready to tackle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. 6. Bristol. Bristol is known for its patriotic celebrations and coastal charm, but its weather can be quite extreme. Summers are humid, with temperatures often rising uncomfortably high. The fall season brings risks of coastal storms and flooding, especially during heavy rainfall. These storms can wreak havoc, causing damage to properties and infrastructure. Despite these challenges, Bristol's community is proactive, with emergency plans in place to address potential weather disasters. The town's resilience is evident in its ability to bounce back after each storm, stronger and more prepared than before. 7. Narragansett. Narragansett, a popular beach town, experiences weather extremes that can be both beautiful and daunting. Summers are warm, attracting tourists to its sandy shores. However, the town is no stranger to hurricanes and coastal flooding during storm seasons. These events can lead to significant damage, with high winds and heavy rains battering the coastline. Residents have become adept at preparing for such events, with evacuation plans and emergency kits at the ready. The town's beauty and charm endure, despite the challenges posed by its unpredictable weather. 8. Tiverton. Tiverton, with its rural charm and scenic views, faces weather extremes that challenge its residents. Summers are warm, providing perfect conditions for enjoying the great outdoors. But, as winter approaches, heavy snowfall and winter storms become a regular occurrence. These conditions can disrupt travel, making it difficult for residents to navigate the town. Tiverton's community is resilient, with residents banding together to clear roads and assist those in need. The town's ability to adapt to these weather challenges is a testament to its strong community spirit. 9. North Smithfield. North Smithfield experiences a full spectrum of weather extremes. Summers are hot, often leading residents to seek refuge in shaded areas or air-conditioned spaces. Winters, however, bring significant snowfall and winter weather hazards. These conditions can pose risks, from icy roads to potential power outages. The town's residents are well prepared, having developed strategies to cope with these challenges. From stocking up on supplies to ensuring homes are winter-ready, North Smithfield is always ready to face the elements head-on. 10. Jamestown. The moon has been a constant presence in the night sky, inspiring art, literature, and science throughout human history. Its sudden absence would symbolize the loss of a universal natural constant, potentially having profound psychological effects on humanity. Cultural practices tied to lunar phases, from religious observances to agricultural cycles, would need restructuring, leading to a period of adjustment and reinterpretation. 11. Long-term evolutionary consequences. Life on Earth has evolved over millions of years with the moon as a constant companion. Its sudden removal would introduce new environmental pressures, potentially driving evolutionary changes. Species reliant on lunar cues might decline, while others could exploit the new conditions. The full scope of these evolutionary consequences would unfold over geological timescales, reshaping Earth's biosphere in unpredictable ways. In essence, the hypothetical explosion of the moon would trigger a cascade of effects, altering the night sky, ocean tides, climate stability, and more. While some changes might offer new opportunities, such as clearer skies for astronomy, the overall impact would challenge the adaptability of Earth's ecosystems and human societies. This thought experiment underscores the intricate connections between celestial bodies and life on Earth, highlighting the moon's vital role in maintaining the delicate balance that sustains our planet.